Hi, my name is Bhavyam Jain and I am making this Pyro. So I am just doing the few connections and then I will test this robot. Now I will make the connections of this battery. This battery will power our robot and this battery's voltage is 12 volt. I will just connect this wire over here like this. Now I will join this PCB to the motor driver with the help of this wire. This is a switch which will attach. So like if we turn on the switch, the robot will work. And this is a robotic arm which will come on the top. So now I will on the robot. So this is the robot. The robot is turned on. So I will just give you a sneak peek of the components. So this is the stepper. So like this robot needs 5 volt, 5 to 6 volts. So but we have the battery of 12 volt. So this will step down the voltage. This is the ESP32. This is the main controller of our robot. This is the motor driver and this is the battery. Hi, my name is Bhavyam Jain and I study in grade 5. This is a spiral that I created and its name is Jarvis. This will help army, SWAT, police and other agencies for spying in the enemy's bases. The components I used is motor driver, ESP32, stepper and 12 volt battery. This is a robotic hand that will help to pick up like pen drive, documents and many more things for the who is controlling. I use this set shaft gear motor 60 rpm and these are the tires. So this robot can go on any terrain. Thank you.